Hi YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's been good. As you guys can see in the title today, it's another styling video, and this styling is for any occasion. It could be a birthday, it could be a dinner date, it could be a brunch date with your girls or your man, you know, or work, you know, outing or something like that. This outfit could be worn in all those occasions. I put like 5 of it together, you know, just to show you guys what this channel is all about. If you are new here, you guys can see we are all about fashion and beauty mostly here, and we are also about whatever this is, whatever that is, we also do it on this channel. So this channel is going to be more fun for you. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget the bell right next to it so you guys can be notified every time your girl drop a video. If you want to see what this styling video is, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. First outfit that I put together is very simple, real quick, put on within 5 minutes, you are done and ready to go. Right here is from Fashion Nova. Y'all see it's a faux leather. It has a shiny thingy material, shiny thingy on it, and then I got this leather jacket from J-Lux label. It's like a caramel tan color, and also this little crop top situation going on. It is a rib material. This is also from J-Lux label, and the purse is from Target. The shoe is also from Fashion Nova, and I think it looks really cute, really chic, girly. And yeah, go drink yourself some mimosa and get some food in your tummy, and you are good to go. This crop top looks just like this. It's just stringy, and the back is pretty open. Yeah, I know it's winter. That is why we have on the jacket, just in case you get cold or whatever. I think this is just too cute. I love it. It's really simple, really girly, really casual, also at the same time very cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Okay, y'all, this is the next one that I put together. A nice, beautiful brunch outfit on a very cold day, but not too cold, but cold day also. So it is this nice, beautiful leather dress from Shein. That's when I get this from. And then my booty shoe situation is from Fashion Nova, and the same purse that I carried earlier from Target. And I think this is such a beautiful brunch outfit that you could wear. And if you want, you could wear it tight under this if you're in a state that is very cold. Here in Texas, I could get away with this, you know, and we are good to go. But in other states, you might want to wear it tight under this. But this joint right here is very thick, and it would definitely keep you warm. So yeah, very cute brunch. Y'all know brunch is between 11 and 2 o'clock anyway. Within those time, I don't think the weather is all that extremely cold. So yeah, very cute, very simple outfit that you put together. This also could take you around 5 minutes. Just bra, underwear, tights, shirt on, zip it up, put shoes on, and carry your purse, and you are good to go. Easy, casual, very cute. You're still looking chic, you're still looking beautiful. This is what the back looks like. Because I have hips and butt and all that good stuff, it's lifting it up a little bit on the back, so it is short a little bit. But if you are shorter than me, or if you are built not like me with hips and butt, this dress will be much longer on you, babe, because the way I'm built. Okay, y'all, the next outfit I put together is this nice, beautiful white sweater from Fashion Nova. The pants is from Fashion Nova. The shoe is from Shein, and the purse is from TJ Maxx. Looking cute, simple, looking cute on a budget, looking really nice. But this is a nice, beautiful outfit though for a nice, quick brunch. Let's go eat, hang out, and chill. Y'all see this? This is so cute. The pants has zippers right here, so it's gonna dig into your thigh a little bit, especially if you have thunder and thigh like I do. It will dig into your thigh a little bit. The zippers does come open, so if you want to leave it open as in it's ribbed, then you could do that. Let me put it closer and show you guys. Please don't pin my body. So yeah, you could leave it a little bit open like that, which will give your thigh more breathing room from it digging into it. But there you go. So yeah, it is all 3 zippers just come open, really nice high-waisted, and the back looks like this. Really simple, really nice. I like it. It's very simple. Something you put on and then you're about your way to go meet the girls for brunch or your man, and you guys can go out and chill. That brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section which styling you like better, and also which one you're copying for yourself. Until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.